Soy Chunk Tomato French Toast Sandwich. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the soy recipes and one of the most unique of the French toast recipes and one of the most different of the breakfast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bread egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes and one of the most different of the toast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the sandwich recipes. Today we are going to make soy chunk tomato French toast sandwich. We have taken 6 slices of bread. Here we have taken soy chunk which we have boiled in water and with salt and squeezed out the water. Put in the soy chunk into the grinder and pulse it so as to make minced soy chunk. Put in the minced soy chunk into the plate. We have taken around 250 ml of tomato sauce. 25 ml of tomato sauce. You can use tomato puree. Mix the tomato puree or tomato sauce with the minced soy chunk, which we boiled and put in the grinder and minced and ground. Make it into a paste. Now take a slice of bread. Now put in the minced soy chunk tomato mixture and spread it evenly onto the bread. Spread it evenly onto the bread. Now put in another slice on top and press and keep it aside. Now take the next slice. Put the soy chunk mixture on top. Spread it evenly onto the bread. Until it's nicely spread. Put in another slice and press. Put in the next slice. Put in the next soy chunk tomato mixture on top and spread it. Now spread it evenly. Now top it with the next slice and press. Now all the sandwiches have been made. Now taking an egg and mixing the white and yellow portion thoroughly. Then salt to taste. Mix thoroughly. Until the white and the yellow portion of the egg is nicely mixed with the salt. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Now dip the sandwich into the egg mixture and put it into the pan to fry. Move it around and let it fry. Now turn it around. Move it around. Now turn it over. Let it fry further. Turn it over. Turn it over. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Pour in 5 ml more of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. And dip in the next sandwich in the egg mixture. and repeat the process until all the sandwiches are nicely made. This is the final soy chunk tomato French toast sandwich. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the cooking ideas and one of the most easiest to make of the French toast recipes and one of the most different of the soy recipes and one of the most nutritious of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bread egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the bread recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.